Right then guys, in today's vlog we are at the Macedonia Hotel. We're going to take a look around, we're going to show you the facilities, show you the room, the pool. There's Delight Bar and Kitchen just next door as well, that's just there. We're going to eat there, show you the food, show you how accessible the place is, and generally give you a rundown of the place. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ross, Kate's actually upstairs getting ready. We're Kross Travel, we do tourist things and holiday destinations. So if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button for us, it's all free. Follow us across social media. Well, let's get on with it, show you this hotel. Right, so first and foremost, there's a lot of stairs that go up to the reception. However, there is also a ramp. So we're going to take the ramp up. And obviously this ramp takes you directly into the bar. You can also go in the bar from the front. But we'll just follow this around, show you the pool scene down there. Now the pool is closed at this moment in time, but I will be filming inside the pool, seeing how cold it is, what the temperatures are like and everything else. So there's the pool scene. And then, I think if we go down here, we can actually access the pool. Is it down there? First of all, is this just taking me back to where I came from? Wheelchair parking. Now you can't actually reserve sunbed. So you know people sunbed wars 7 AM, 6 AM. No, you're not allowed around the pool, or not allowed in the pool until 9 in the morning. There's toilets and everything like that. So yeah, it's a quite accessible hotel. Whether accessing the actual pool is easier said than done. I'm not like bursting that, so I couldn't tell you. But yeah, it's a nice hotel. It's nice. Some nice grounds in here as well. Let's take a look down here. I mean, I don't actually know what's about because it's the first time I've actually walked around the hotel. But yeah, it's quite accessible. It's beautiful grounds actually. It's really nice green and well kept. I'm going to show you some other stuff as well. But yeah, that's all taped off until I think it's 8:30. So that you can't actually reserve your sunbeds, you're not allowed, which is fantastic, obviously. I don't think there's that much left to really walk you through, other than taking you to the pool itself. Oh, there's something else I can show you actually, but I'll hold off. What's down here? I don't know. Is this just... Nothing then. Right, let's take a look around the back here. There's a nice little Greek church that I want to show you as well, so I'll see you there. So here it is. This is the church. It's on the grounds of the hotel. It's beautiful. I'm not sure if it's ever open though. Is it just there for decoration? That's the thing. Oh no, it is actually open. The windows are open anyway. Don't know whether to poke my head in. Try the door. The doors aren't open though. So I don't know. No, I don't know, shall I? Should I try it? It is Sunday. No it's not, it's Monday. No. Poke the camera in there because clearly no one in there. But it looks beautiful. No one screws that. Oh. There you go. So it must be an actual practicing church then. I don't know if it was just for decoration. It looks a bit brand new, doesn't it? All the detailing on it. But yeah, really nice. Right, let's go and take a look at Delight as well. Me and Kate down there as well actually. So yeah, you come back straight back out onto the main road. So the grounds of the hotel, so there's no spa, there's no gym. Which I don't care about because I never use that on a holiday anyway. So yeah, let's take a look at Delight. So I think that is owned by the same people that own Macedonia because it's part of the complex. So if you go through, it takes you straight through to the pool. So yeah, I think that's definitely part of the hotel, owned by the hotel, but it's a separate entity as well. It's open to the public, and they do a Greek night and a full menu, and it's where you have your breakfast and your evening meal if you're staying in the Macedonia. So that is your pool. So there's a main pool, and of course what looks like a kids splash pool. And these are pretty cool touch. So you've got drinks holders and an ashtray attached to your umbrellas. That's good. And then of course there's a back entrance into Delight Kitchen and Bar. Lovely. Right, let's wait for Kate and have some breakfast. Here she is. Nice of you to join us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Right, spotted breakfast, darling, yes?
Darling.
Absolutely. So yes, also the Macedonia is at the end of Zante Airport runway. So there is plane noise, however planes aren't allowed to land and take off after 10 PM, so it shouldn't really affect your sleep unless it wakes you up early in the morning. That is something to bear in mind when looking at booking in the Macedonia. They are dead low, and at the top of the road is the airport cafe, so they've got the runway, the airport cafe, and then literally the Macedonia here. But for plane enthusiasts it's great, I suppose. No, that's the bacon and egg cover thing. Bacon and egg sandwich, yeah. Right, so the menu is here. Just take a look at the breakfast menu. We'll run you through the other options. One thing that did stand out there was the hangover breakfast here at Delight at the Macedonia Hotel. Is the hangover breakfast has got all your usual full English stuff on it, such as, you know, bacon, sausage, egg, black pudding, hash browns, and then it says gammon steak. I don't know how good gammon steak is for a hangover. Very interesting though. I've gone for an eggs Benedict anyway. Felt like having something a bit more light today. Yeah, I thought eggs Benedict sort of fits the bill, doesn't it? So yeah, we've placed the orders. Kate's had the mini breakfast, I've had the eggs Benedict, like I say, and 2 orange juice as well. Right, here it is. It looks really nice actually. I can't wait to look into it. Let's take a look.
So what's the bacon there?
The bacon looks like it's proper English bacon, so that's good. There's Kate's mini breakfast. Does look quite good opening of beans on there though. You know what I mean? There's still a lot of beans on that. But I like to set you up and get into it. Right, I know what I usually do is film myself eating it first, but what I wanted to do was cut into it and show you how runny the eggs are. So that's what we're going to do. Let's just cut in. Oh man, that's well nice. Look how that, oh man. That's good. Yeah, look at all that running out of the egg. That's a proper poached egg, isn't it? Right.
Looks well nice, but
yeah. Yeah, so I thought I'd do it a little bit differently. Try and cut through. Get some bacon and a muffin. A bit strange, a bit strange though, because it's got some mixed leaf on it. Find a bit odd. Toasted muffin.
you normally get a little bit of rocket there, don't you?
Do you?
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
Well, that's probably what it is then.
Well, it's not, that's mixed leaf.
Oh. I'm a good chef, honest. Yeah, really nice. We'll get some bacon and then we'll leave it there for the breakfast. I'll finish it off.
That it?
Hmm?
No, I've got a napkin now.
Right, so here at the Macedonia Hotel, we are room 311 and the door is open. Right, let's have a look here. So it's a nice big spacious room, to be honest. This is first impression, we've literally just arrived. We always do the room tour first, unless I delete it like I did in Crete, because I'm an idiot. But yeah, nice little kitchenette, fridge, which they haven't charged for, and that is on. Another Metaxa did charge for the fridge, but we didn't pay for it. We just use the aircon to keep everything cool. Pots and pans, everything you need if you want to cook. I mean, we won't be. There's cutlery in there as well. Kettle. How do I open it? Very clean kettle. That is extremely clean. Toaster, sink, hob, and plates and cups. And they're quite. Oh, the plastic. You must have known we were coming. There's a nice bit of art on the wall. Table, bit of a strange position for the table if you ask me. But where else are you going to put it if you look around the rest of the room? There is a single bed, and mascot Freddy is there. Who's already gone to bed, yeah. Double bed. Vanity area. I call it vanity area, it's just a mirror and a desk in it. Anything in here? Oh, hotel directory. What's in there? Open the swimming pool is open 9 till 8. Breakfast is 8 till 10. Restaurant opening hours are 8 until 11. I don't know if that's the Delight next door, I will clarify that. Departure time is 11 when we check out, blah blah blah. Yeah, all your information's in there. Very nice. They also haven't charged us for the telly. I mean, not that we're going to use the telly. We never really do. They tried to charge us again at the Metaxa, so they wanted to charge us for the telly. We have paid for the air conditioning. There has been a charge. €63 for the week.
You just stop making a noise?
I don't know. Yeah, €63 for the week for the air conditioning, and also you do have to pay for the safe, which I can't remember what she said now. She didn't, did she? She didn't tell us how much the safe was. Yeah. So yeah, €63 for the air conditioning, €35 tax. That's for a week's stay. Which I don't think the tax is that bad actually. €35. What's that a day?
I don't remember paying it last time.
Sure we did. What, in Crete? We did, yeah. I paid it. And then onto the balcony, we have got a runway view. Looks out onto the gardens and the pool area. There's Delight Kitchen, pool area down there. Reception is over there. And then there is the airport CAF. So planes are going to be heading right over here. Yeah, but I think they're not allowed to land at a certain time. I think they're not allowed to have planes landing here after 10 o'clock for the turtles. If I'm correct. If I am wrong, stick it in the comments and tell me I'm bloody wrong. But yeah, that's pretty much the room. Oh, bathroom. We haven't done the bathroom yet, so let's head back through. Bathroom, I mean, it's pretty small, but it's fine. You know, it's nice. It's well nicely decorated. Toilet, sink, mirror, rainfall shower. Oh, there is a normal shower in there as well. Is it sliding door? It is. I'm missing a plane showing you this. That's not right over us. You'll probably be able to hear it actually on the video, but I will try and get a shot of a plane going right over the hotel. But that is the room. Almost forgot to do the bed test, didn't I? Let's take a look. Let's get on it. Oh, that's nice actually. Oh, that's comfortable. There's my sunglasses. Oh yeah, that's good. So, should you stay at the Macedonia? You know, it's a nice hotel. It's a good hotel. There are a few little issues that we have, but other than those, they're okay. So, for example, paying €63 for the week for the air conditioning here, and then it doesn't work because of that. I mean, I can feel it there, you know, but it's just not given the space to circulate the air properly. So it takes a while to cool your room down. It's not like an instant relief, you know, when you turn your aircon on and it blasts through the room and you're like, oh yeah, it's dead nice. It's not like that. The shower's a bit small, and the rainfall shower can make you feel like you're drowning at times. I didn't have much of a problem with it. I don't think Kate really liked it that much. So there is that. There's the door. It took us 5 days to figure out how to actually lock it properly and stuff, because we just couldn't do it. Maybe it's just us. Maybe we're just being a bit thick. But yeah, the door was a bit of an issue for 5 days out of 7. So obviously the last day, or the last 2 days, we managed to figure it out. So yeah. Overall, I'd recommend it. It's a really nice hotel. Yeah, there's nothing wrong. The beds are so comfy as well. I've slept really well here, which isn't like me when I travel, to be fair. I don't sleep that well in hotels in general. But yeah, it's really nice. I really enjoyed it. It's a great view, the runway. Yeah, the plane noise, like I mentioned, I think I alluded to this a bit earlier on. The plane noise can be a bit of a put off for some people. It doesn't bother me. I love planes. I love watching them come in and out, and they don't take off from 10 till 5 a.m. You get a quiet time, so it shouldn't affect sleep too much. And the first plane coming over in the morning might, but yeah, other than that, you're fine. So yeah, that's the Macedonia Hotel. Recommended. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else to say about it, really. I don't think there is. No, that's it. So yeah, don't forget, if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the hype button, and follow us on social media. See you next week. Bye bye.